siya ang taya, kaya't kaming dalawa'y uminom ng beer. Inangat niya ang mag at ang sabi niya sa akin ay cheers. Ang di ko alam ay meron siyang ilalagay. Ako'y biglang nahilo, nawalan ng aking malay nang ako'y maisig. Ako napansin pangalan ng hotel, Anito Inc. Kaya't ang sabi ko na ko, i-split na ako. Pag nabuko ng girlfriend ko, mahirap to. Walang-wala sa isip ko ang kanyang baywang. Nang nakita ko siya, naka-underwear lang. When the night has come, aking na kayang ilaw. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Yeah. Oh darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Alright, get ready for the third verse. Pag nagtatawanan at nagkwekwentuhan at doon sa sopa kami ay naglalampugan ng ginaw. Para kung nasa Roppongi, pinatay niya ang ilaw at pinuksan ang PCD. Doon sa kanyang kama kami ay nahiga. Ako'y nagulat at ako'y nabigla. Ako'y nanginginig, pawis na pawis. Tinutok ko, pinasok ko, and boy, walang dapis. Ang sabi
Thank you for the follow, Hyperbound.
Andrew, sige, Tumagilid, tumihaya, lumuhod at dumapa. Tapos na kami, ang sabi niya, siya, isa pa nga, when the night has come. At pinatay ang ilaw. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Sinatsa ko, darling, 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 stand by me. Oh, stand by me. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Alright, now we're right with the first banyo queen. When the night has come, yeah, at pinatay ang ilaw.
Thank you, Hyper.
O madalas lumalabas banyo queen. Darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Patawarin niyo po sila. Hindi po nila alam yung mga ginagawa nila.
Ay banyo queen.
Diyos ko, Lord.
Hindi pa pala tapos. Aska.
Unlimited ba yan, Major?
Kayang ilaw. O madalas lumalabas banyo queen.
Dumudulas lang.
Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, banyo queen.
Puti.
Thank you, Idol.
Malauhog po. Pero feeling ko kaong na.
O madalas dumudulas may puti.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Major General, apakaganda ng awitin mo. Nabuhay ang mga natutulog namin. Ano.
Sabi nyo kasi naman kantahan, sayawan eh.
Nabuhay.
Happy birthday.
Kulungin ang ano.
Ano? Manoy. Charot. Yun. Napapaiyak na ako kakatawa. Mas nauna pa nga tumatawa eh. Ay, Diyos ko. Ay, Queen JB, syempre hindi ka papatalo dyan.
Ay, grabe siya.
Oo, syempre hindi ka papatalo doon.
Funny for me. Isip kami.
Okay.
Ano ba?
Higa muna ako. Higa muna ako. Tawa ako ng tawa. Let's give it up for Queen JB!
Mga Christmas.
Ano yun?
Charot. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Yeah.
I wanna dance with my father.
With my father, yeah, yeah, with somebody, need somebody who knows. With my father, I want to be with my brother, yeah. Oh, dance with my mother, woo. With somebody who I've been in love and lost my senses to think through the town. The fear ends and I wait up feeling down. Honey, don't mind, I think I'll just on a love brings us down to love. And when the night falls, one day It's somebody, yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me, somebody who loves me, somebody who holds me down. So I don't mind to think of this. On a love brings us now to love. So when the night falls, my only heart goes. Oh, with somebody, I wanna dance with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel that beat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, yeah.
Naulo ka, Ki. Zumba daw.
With me, baby. With me, boy. Don't do anything. With me, baby. With somebody who loves me. Don't wanna dance, say you wanna dance, do you wanna dance? Do you wanna dance, say you wanna dance, do you wanna dance?
Sign of aging yan, idol.
With this tone.
With somebody who loves me. Oh, don't say